If you're spending hours doing bicep curls, your arms get a massive pump in the gym, but the next day they look exactly the same, you're missing something huge. The truth is, the biceps are the muscle everyone wants to flex, but it's also where most people make the dumbest mistakes. Forget endless drop sets or miracle oils. Today, I'm giving you the no BS guide to the 3 real reasons why your biceps have plateaued and exactly how to fix it on your next workout. Mistake 1. You're training your ego, not your biceps. You see this guy in the gym every single day. He puts 45 plates on each side of the bar and starts dancing the salsa just to lift the weight. Bro, congratulations, you just did an amazing workout for your lower back and front delts. Your biceps? They just sat there watching the show. The bicep has one main job, elbow flexion. If you have to throw your shoulders forward or swing your back to move the weight, it's too heavy, period. The fix? Glue your elbows to the sides of your torso and don't let them budge. Control the negative, the eccentric phase, for a solid 2 to 3 seconds. If you can't do this, drop the weight. Less load with perfect execution will grow your arms twice as fast. Mistake 2. You're skipping the other bicep head. It is called a bicep because it has two heads. The long head, which gives you that bicep peak, and the short head, which gives you width. And right underneath them, you have the brachialis, which literally pushes the bicep up, making your arm look massive. If you only do the classic straight barbell curl, you're mostly hitting the short head. You're completely lacking anatomical variety. 1. Incline dumbbell curls. Set the bench to 45 degrees so your elbows sit behind your body. This fully stretches the long head and forces that peak to grow. 2. Hammer curls. Dumbbells or rope attachment on the cable. This destroys the brachialis and forearms, giving you that thick, wide look when someone looks at you from the front. 3. Preacher curls. To crush the muscle at the peak contraction point. Do 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps for each, twice a week, and watch what happens to that skinny arm. Mistake 3. No progressive overload and junk volume. The bicep is a tiny muscle group. It already gets hammered when you do pull-ups, rows, or lat pull-downs for your back. If you finish a heavy back day and still try to smash 6 different bicep exercises for 20 reps each, you're not stimulating the muscle, you're cannibalizing it. Stop doing fluffy 20 rep sets just to feel the burn. Stay in the heavy 6 to 12 rep range, close to failure. And apply progressive overload. If you did hammer curls with 30-pound dumbbells for 10 reps this week, your goal next week is 11 reps, or moving up to the 35s. If the weight doesn't go up over the months, your arm size won't either. So, let's do a quick recap so your brain actually retains this. 1. Drop the weight and stop swinging your damn body. Elbows locked. 2. Use incline curls and hammer curls to hit every single angle. 3. Train heavy in that 6-12 rep range and focus on lifting more over time. Do this consistently for 8 weeks. Then, look in the mirror and tell me if your sleeves aren't ripping open. If this video helped you stop embarrassing yourself in the gym, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and share this with that one friend who desperately needs to drop the 90-pound barbell and pick up the 25-pound dumbbells with proper form. Train smart. See you next time.